Hello all, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you guys are doing absolutely well. So as you know, in recent time I have loaded lots of videos related to CPA marketing and free traffic, but still some of you are asking me to show you how you can do CPA marketing and how you can get free traffic. That's why I'm making this video today. Anyway, so in this video you'll learn about how you can get free traffic and get leads. But before that, make sure that you subscribe to my YouTube channel, and you can also join our Facebook group Premium Share to get daily updates. Now at first we need to research a CPA offer, and for that we are going to use this F+. And now in F+, we are going to find CPA offers which are related to job. So that's why I'm just looking for offers which are related to job. And you can see there are a lot of offers from different sites which offer a good CPA amount to us, and some of them are double opt-in offers, some of them are single opt-in offers, so we can use any of them. But before that, make sure that you join their CPA network, and then you will get your CPA tracking link where you can get traffic and get leads. Now here I'm going to suggest you that at least 5 to 10 affiliate account you should create in different networks. I mean, one network, one account. Okay, so this way you need to create at least 5 account per network. Some of them take time to get approved and some will instantly upload to you. For some security purpose, if you get banned from any CPA network, but you will still have some others which may bring profit to you. Okay, now you can do the work more professionally if you just save your work and research in a notepad or in Excel file to use it for the future. Now let's see how we can get the traffic. And here you can see we are in Craigslist, so we will use this Craigslist site to get our traffic. Now we don't need to create any account or need to post any job. All we need is to go for that resume category. So here in the resume category, if we reach there, we will see there are a lot of posts related to job. I mean, people are asking for job. I mean, they are looking for a job or part-time job or work so that they can earn some money. So here we are going to find out which post get live in recent time. I mean, within 1 week. So we need to find out those. Each week tons of people post here their job related posts, their job seeking post. So here we need to find out the recent post and the similar post where we can do marketing. And now we can see that we got this type of post that I'm looking for part-time job, or part-time job for a student, or part-time work for a student, job wanted, this type of post. Okay, so I need to find out this type of post. Sometimes we need to okay, now here you can see some of them will also provide you phone number. So this is a very gem for me. We can use it for SMS marketing anyway, so you can list it all in your Excel file. You can list those details in your Excel file by the job category or by phone number, like this, what they want. Okay, so for near future, if you mail them, you can just directly contact with them by one to know what they want and what they can do if you provide them any type of offer. So here we need to, by clicking here, you will get a custom email address what you can use to send them an email via Craigslist. And now here you need to make a new Gmail to do the task, and in subject you can just write that job notification from CL, so that they might open your mail. It's increase the chances of open our email, as you mentioned that you get their contact from CL. Now here in email body, you should tell them that you see their ad in Craigslist, and you are able to know that they are looking for a job. So you have some job, the copy paste type of job, you can provide them. And if they are interested in to do this task, make sure that they reply to this email. This way you will be able to collect their contact details, or you can provide them CPA offer link, so that they might register on that link and you will get leads or you'll get profit from them. Now you can do this task automation via vacation mode on. So you can go over the Gmail setting, and from setting you can turn on the vacation mode. And whenever someone mail you or reply you to your email, they will get a auto message from your mail like this. Okay, so here I type just thanks for your response, and here the website link you have followed. You will get further details from here, and from this text I will link up with my CPA offer link. So suppose here this website is just my affiliate tracking link, so I'll provide I will send them traffic to this website. So you can provide your traffic to your landing page or your tracking link via this trick. Okay, so you'll get leads in this way with the automation tasks. So you can do it regularly and get your lead. Now here one thing, if you notice there are a lot of states for USA you can see in Craigslist. So suppose from each state you collect at least 30 email. I mean, suppose you select 10 states, and from 10 states per state you will get 30 email. We got around 300 emails per day to send, and suppose we got at least 10% convert and we get lead of 10%, and average lead is count around $2, so we'll get profit at least $60 a day if we send around 300 leads. So try to make this more, 300 plus to send email per day. This way you can make more profit in your free traffic CPA marketing. Okay, so this is a very short video. I hope you understand, and if you get confused you can just ask me in comment and I will try to answer. Okay, have a good day.